I'm going to show you how easy it is to engineer a mask at home in a couple easy steps. All you'll need is some washable, breathable fabric cut to about 20 by 20 inches and a couple of rubber bands or hair ties. Here we go. Fold your fabric in half. Fold the top down and the bottom up to meet in the middle. Next, you're going to have to get your rubber bands or hair ties to about 6 inches apart. Now, fold the outside pieces into the middle and tuck. Now your mask is ready to wear. Good luck making your own homemade mask. And remember to stay safe. I'm Trenton, and thanks for watching NexGen Science.